I know October has already started, but this is my fall TBR. So, Phantasma and Enchantra, these are both dark romance and mostly I think enemies to lovers trope, which is my favorite. So, these two. Tender is the Flesh because I think it's the perfect fall pick. It is a dystopian horror where people start eating people because animal meat is contaminated. So, yeah, this one. Heavenly Bodies because it's a fantasy romance and I'm like really craving some dreamy fantasy romance, and I'm like, I think, and also because of this cover, it's a perfect pick for me and I would love to read it. I'm like really looking forward to read it. Then I have Book Lovers by Emily Henry. I know it's a summer romance, but who's stopping me? And I just want to read some romance, and I love the way Emily Henry writes. So yeah. Then this book I have already read on the first day of October. Actually, I read it in a single day. I love this, and I think it's perfect. It's dreamy, it's warm, cozy, magical. It's so good. So yes, this one. And I have this crime fiction which also has dark humor, and I have started reading it and I'm like really into it. I'm loving it till now, and it's called My Sister the Serial Killer. I am loving everything about it, and it's so funny. Like I've had some laughing out loud moments literally. So this one. Divine Rivals because it has enemies to lovers, fantasy romance, and I think it might be set up in a academic setting. I'm not sure about that. I'll have to read it, but I'm really interested to read it. And this one has been on my TBR for a very long time, and I don't know, I've just been putting it off because it's really long. Otherwise, I am really interested to read it. So it's The Secret History by Donna Tartt, and I've heard so many great things about it. It has dark academia and mystery, which is, I think, the perfect pick for fall. And I I do want to read it, but I'm just like, it's big. And then these three books which I've already read, but I read it in October, so I'm adding that. I really loved it. I really loved the Once Upon a Broken Heart series. It has everything that I like. It's enemies to lovers romance, it has adventure, it has action, it has so much, and I really liked it.